Hi guys, and welcome to How Much YouTube channel. My name is Idan, and today I'm going to show you some tips and tricks to buy the Nintendo Switch console, games, and accessories. If you follow my YouTube channel, you've seen a few videos of me trying to get the Nintendo Switch for the lowest price I can, and I actually managed to do it in a pretty cool way. So what I did is return some games to GameStop, the ones I could not sell because I had some from a return pallet and I could not sell them on eBay. So I basically gave them to GameStop and gave me a very small amount, but I managed to accumulate over $80 towards my Nintendo Switch. So I took all the credit that I got from GameStop and I went to Oregon where they have no sales tax. So I saved $30 on the sales tax as well. So I got this Nintendo Switch for $193 only, and I received a $35 credit on the eShop because it was a deal back then and I wanted to get it. It was hard to find a GameStop with that deal, but I found one and I managed to get the game. You can see here all the games that I bought, and I'll show you each one how I saved money. Some of them are brand new and most of them are used, but all of them working perfectly. So the Super Mario Odyssey, I managed to get that for $30 used cash from Facebook Market and OfferUp. Same goes with Doom. I also managed to get that as well for 30 bucks. Now Zelda, Mario Kart 8, and the Super Smash, I actually bought them from GameStop and I bought them used. And because I joined their membership, I got a one-time use coupon, buy two, get one free. All for only $109 total. So that's only $36 each. I tried to look for those games on OfferUp and Facebook Market and eBay, but I can't find them lower than $45. So why not buy it for $36 from GameStop, and I know they're gonna guarantee to work. If there's any problem, I can go back there and then return it, get one that works. One of the games, it's kind of interesting, if you can see, the casing of Super Smash is actually the display case, because I asked them about it, GameStop didn't have it, but they did have a display case. So it's a little bit unique, it looks a little different. It doesn't have the barcode in the back, and I kind of like it actually. It's gonna give it a unique look of my used game, reminding me that it's usually $60, but I only paid $36. Now going forward to the Starlink. So I managed to buy Starlink on Target. They have this sale of $29.99 for a $75 game. So there's a game inside, and there's also little accessories you can add on and with the remote, and you can have you unlock some things in the game. And the deal was also a free pilot. So I got the pilot, the game, and all the accessories for $30 total. That's amazing. I don't really care about the characters, like the plastic pieces themselves, the toys, so I'm gonna sell them, but I make sure to unlock all those on my game first, and then I can sell them and probably get 20 bucks back. And I also managed to get $10, an additional $10, so total $45 for the eShop, because I had points from GameStop. Buying all those things, it still think I'm paying full price for it because I'm using all those credits, but it still counts. So I got 10,000 points and I got $10 to my eShop. That's pretty much awesome. Now the accessories, I had a little bit of a hard time. There's no used accessories and I don't think it's a good idea anyways. Those little plastic adapters for Mario Kart, they're actually really fun. They work really well, the steering wheel. I really like the buttons, they're nice and big. So I do recommend those, and I managed to buy a whole pack. So the pack came with 4 different adapters. It came with a nice big case, maybe a bit too big, but with all the accessories and the games I have, it might be okay to have a bigger case. And even have like silicone grips, and it even came with another box to hold like 25 or more games in there. Some more grips, like Joy-Con rubber pieces, adapters that feel really good. And I also got this charger if you have extra Joy-Cons. I don't need any of those things, so those will go on eBay and lower my $40 combo that I got. The Joy-Cons last for 20 hours, so I mean, just charge them, it's not a big deal. That's it guys, this is my Nintendo Switch haul, and I only spent $438 for everything you see here, and I am gonna sell a few things, so I might get like 20-30 bucks back, and I have $45 credit for the eShop. And I think that's just amazing, and I spend much less than that. And I just kind of show you how you can, save money just being a little smart, do a little bit of research, and be patient, and get what you want for the price you want. Check the link below. I have a current giveaway of an eShop card to give you guys for subscribing. I got almost 80,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much, that's amazing. That's it for today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.